No matter who you are or what you do today, your life revolves around technology in some way. Laptops for work, or phones for communication, or tablets for entertainment, and so many other devices that allow us to interact with the world. That is, until our battery dies. Yeah, we've all been there, right? Trying to get some important information or send out that last email and you get that dreaded low battery warning. You need to charge up and fast, so you're going to want the right charger for your needs, and that's where Ugreen can help. Ugreen has a wide variety of charging solutions for everything tech throws at you. From small and compact to charging for a whole team, Ugreen can power your entire digital life. And first off, the first thing that I want to show you is this all-new, brand-new Nexode 300-watt GAN charger. This is Ugreen's first 300-watt multi-port GAN charger, and this thing's a beast. Look, this is the biggest charger I've ever seen, and it's packed full of features. This is a 5-port charger that can power just about anything you need it to, at up to 140 watts for a single device. That means this Nexode charger can fast charge Apple's biggest and most powerful 16-inch MacBook Pro with M2 Max at up to 56% in just 30 minutes. Just connect the Apple MagSafe cable to the top USB-C port and snap the other end to your MacBook, and you're up and running. Of course, this 300-watt charger can fast charge more than just Apple laptops. With Power Delivery 3.1 built in, you can fast charge just about anything that can fast charge, from other laptops to tablets to iPhones and Android phones to even big battery packs like this Ugreen 145-watt battery pack, which we'll get to later. This 300-watt charger is compatible with all of the fast charging standards like Quick Charge, Supercharge Protocol, Adaptive Fast Charge, and others, so this is a super versatile charger for all your needs. As an example, here you can see the Nexode 300-watt charger charging up a MacBook Pro, a MacBook Air, 2 iPhones, and a gaming console. This one very capable charger is enough to power all of your tech gear for an entire family's needs. You might be wondering, how can one charger power so many devices? Well, that's because Ugreen uses gallium nitride, or GaN, which allows for much faster charging at much lower temperatures and at a smaller size. We'll get to some of the other Nexode chargers that can help power your entire digital life in just a moment, but all of Ugreen's Nexode chargers use GaN to get you the right charger in a lighter, more compact design. To power everything the Nexode 300-watt charger can do, Ugreen is using 2 GaNFast 3 chips inside. This is what allows the 300-watt charger to be a work group's best friend and fast charge up to 3 laptops at once. If you're in a work meeting, or like me, in a technical design discussion on corporate infrastructure, the 300-watt charger is the perfect companion for charging, and it keeps things organized with just a single 2-meter cable to power everything. With a single charger, we can power each of our laptops, so we can work as long as it takes to flesh out all the design details and present that to the organization. With the built-in power dispenser system, the 300-watt charger intelligently distributes power to each of the devices for fast charging and also for protecting batteries. So there's no need to worry about potential battery damage that can come from cheap chargers that you might find online. And if you're worried about so much power coming from a single charger, Ugreen has employed some of the best safety features on all of the Ugreen Nexode chargers, like monitoring temperature at up to 6,000 times per minute, which can prevent overheating and excess current from occurring, further protecting your devices and batteries. This new Nexode 300-watt charger is the most powerful charger that I've ever used. Whether you're using it to charge your whole family's set of devices or just need a simplified work setup and meetings, this Nexode charger will deliver. But Ugreen also has you covered for whatever your charging needs are, with their whole line of Nexode products as simple as this Nexode Mini 30-watt charger. And look how small this thing is. This thing is compact enough to fit in your pocket or take with you to the office or just down the street to the coffee shop. The folding prongs really reduce the size of this Nexode Mini, and in fact, this is about 40% smaller than other 30-watt chargers you can find. Even though this charger is so compact, this single port provides enough power with its GAN 2 chip to charge your iPhone 14 Pro Max from 0 to 55% in just 30 minutes. But it's also fast and powerful enough to charge an iPad Air or even some laptops like the MacBook Air. If you're using other phones, the 30-watt charger also supports Samsung's 25-watt super fast charging as well. This is a great option if you're someone who primarily uses a single device and needs to keep things charged throughout the day, or for a kid who needs to keep their iPad charged to stay in touch with their friends, or even just for having around the house for charging as needed. Whether you are charging a handheld game device, wireless earbuds, or a laptop, the GAN technology and safety systems built inside of this will get you charged up quickly and safely. The Ugreen Nexode 65-watt 7-in-1 charging station can help simplify your desktop charging needs. This is a high-speed GAN charger that can charge up to 3 AC-powered devices and up to 4 USB devices. And with GAN, you get a more energy-efficient and cooler operating charger. The USB-C ports can charge at up to 65 watts each, which is great for many laptops and high-powered devices, while the USB-A port can each charge up to 18 watts for phones, tablets, or other gadgets. With the GAN 2 chip, the 65-watt 7-in-1 can charge an M2 MacBook Air fully in just 90 minutes. Unlike other USB chargers, the Ugreen 7-in-1 has 3 AC ports, which means you can easily connect other desk accessories like a lamp or air purifier or even a printer. This charger is also packed full of safety features like short circuit, overcurrent, and overload protection, along with protection from ground faults and temperature. I also want to point out that there's a power switch on the back that can be used to easily shut down or disconnect devices when not in use, enhancing safety and peace of mind. If you're looking for a powerful charger for your desk or work setup, this 7-in-1 charger is extremely versatile. Travel is something that is becoming more and more common this year, and for that, Ugreen has everything you will need. Let's assume you're going on a business trip by yourself and you want to pack light. So you grab your laptop, your phone, your tablet, and maybe even your smartwatch, and then you need chargers for all of them. This Nexode 100-watt charger is the perfect travel charger because at 100 watts, it can charge all of your devices itself, and it's so much more compact and simple than bringing 4 individual chargers. If your laptop battery is running low in meetings, this 100-watt charger will quickly get you topped off at up to 55% for a MacBook Air in just 30 minutes. After spending your day in meetings and work sessions, you're back at the hotel at night and you need to get all 4 devices charged up for the morning. The 100-watt charger will easily top off your iPhone and Apple Watch while you're watching videos on your tablet and finishing up some reports on your laptop with all of the safety features you expect from Ugreen, like dynamic temperature sensors that monitor and control power output. When you're traveling for vacation, it's so common to be using your smartphone for taking a ton of photos and videos, especially if you have kids. So the only problem with that is how fast your battery can drain. So that's why having a fast charge battery can be a necessity. The Ugreen 145-watt power bank is a 25,000 milliamp hour battery that will keep you powered up on the go. You can easily check the battery level on the display by hitting this little button on the side before heading out so that you know you're fully prepared for the day. This battery pack has adaptive charging capabilities like the other Ugreen chargers, including Quick Charge 3, Power Delivery 3, and others. This means you can fast charge multiple mobile devices at the same time because, let's face it, everyone with you is taking photos and videos or checking maps or texting with friends, and they're going to need to be charged up after lunch. Or maybe you're a professional photographer and at lunch you want to transfer over some photos from your camera to do some editing, but you find that your laptop battery is a bit low. The 145-watt battery pack can get your MacBook Air fully charged up in about 90 minutes, along with topping off your camera and your iPhone. And after a full day's use, the 145-watt battery can be fast charged itself to be ready for tomorrow. So, as you've seen, Ugreen has just chargers for every one of your needs and can power your entire digital life. From the slim and compact 30-watt chargers to the massive 300-watt charger for your team, Ugreen can quickly and safely power everything you need. And if you want to be powered by Ugreen, you can get one today by using the link and code in the description below. And while you're there, let us know which charger would work best for you. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked it, hit subscribe if you want, and I'll see you next time.